my class did the Message in a Bottle workshop in the spring when we were doing online learning, and it was 2 different sessions, sort of an explanatory session about what we were doing and guiding the students through some exercises about thinking about what they can hear and see. And then we came back together at the end to show what they had done sort of on their own time and some of the things that they had come up with in their own places about what they were seeing and hearing in those moments. I thought it was really great. I think, especially given the situation that we were in, everybody isolated in their own houses and not having seen each other. I think we did it towards the end of May, beginning of June. So we've been out of school for quite a while already. It was really nice for students to see the commonalities in what they had surrounding them, even though we were all in our own homes. And it was nice to do something that wasn't school related, to get together online for something a bit more fun, especially towards the end of the year. We would have done field trips or things had we been in school. So it was nice to do something a little more casual out of school. But it's definitely something that I would like to do more of, to sort of draw them out of their shell and get them to participate a bit more, especially those who are a little bit more artistic. It was hard to do some of those things virtually because they didn't have materials at home or finding a way to share those things. So this was a great experience, and giving them an outlet to do those kinds of things is very good. I was really surprised that some of my chattiest students in class were some of my quietest students online. And I had one student who was fairly quiet and reserved in class, and he was one of the chattiest online. And so and now that they're back in class, I find those personalities are coming out a bit more, like those who got their confidence online are continuing to participate, but it definitely was a very different group of students online versus in class. And I think it also depended where they were working in their house too. If they were alone in their bedroom, then they were probably more willing to participate in whatever, whereas if they were in the living room and parents or siblings or whoever was walking by, then they were more reserved, I think. Always great to bring in experts in any field. I think it helps students realize that this is what people do in real life, and it's not just, oh, he wants to be a musician, but you can't actually make a living as a musician. Well, look, you can. It's neat for students to see what people do in their real life and how they can actually make a living doing something that they love to do.